you need to watch out for what you see on YouTube, especially when we're talking about money subjects such as trading and investing. You need to be very, very careful indeed. You need to make sure that the people that you are watching actually know what they are talking about. Now, this is something that we cover on our one-day event. And we tell people, look, these are the 10 questions to ask anybody that you're looking to learn from. And this comes from bitter experience, having gone to just about every single course out there since the late 90s and spending over £88,000 on courses. Don't judge me, yeah? But, you know, I was a bit of a seminar junkie at the time, and I just went to everything that was going. And as a result, I've come up with this for myself, which I am going to give to you. For example, you've got to make sure that the trainer is investing their own money successfully, not just institutions' money, or at all. I mean, a good case would be that they are actually investing the institution's money. You know, they come on stage and they go, well, you know, I've got 20 million, but it's not their own money that they're investing. What I want to know is, you know, did they start with a couple of thousand and have they built it up? That's what I'm really looking for. The next thing, are the strategies proven to work in all market directions? Now, this might sound stupid, but actually a lot of strategies only make money going up. So you need to make sure that they make money going down and sideways as well, because of course there's the bulls, the bears, and the buffaloes. Third point, if 80% of success is mindset and psychology, surely a large portion of the course needs to focus on the mindset and psychology, since that is the most important thing. Next thing, so you can see we've actually put it into proven strategies, interactive groups, etc. and so forth. So interactive groups with support, is there support during the workshop so you can get all your questions answered? Now, obviously, when you're watching somebody on YouTube, that is not going to be relevant. Also, does every single student have a computer so they can practice reading charts? That's not going to be relevant on YouTube. Are you able to practice placing orders with your online broker? Now, why is this important? It's so important because when you're watching something on YouTube, do you get any practice? Do you get any support at all? So just watching videos is not going to turn you into a trader. Yes, that will give you some information, maybe, as long as it covers all aspects, A to Z. It has to cover every single aspect. And then you need to have that support so that you can condition what it is that you have learned. And you need to do it again and again and again. And you're still going to make some mistakes, so then you need a little bit more support as well. So it really needs to make sure that you're not just watching a video about trading and investing. What's the point of that? Unless you already have some knowledge, in which case maybe you're picking out some points, maybe. But if you're a total beginner, the free information probably isn't going to help you that much. And that comes up to follow-up support. Do they give you follow-up support as part of the course? Make sure that whatever or whoever you're learning from is committed to giving you that support. Do they organize regular calls and meetings so you can physically look them in the eye and say, hey, you taught me this on the course, you know, how come it isn't working, or how come the market isn't doing what you said, etc. When you ring up the company, will the trainer take your call in person? Is there that direct communication with that person who taught you, so you can really make sure that you've got to hold them to account if you paid them any money? And then consistent profits, do they guarantee their results? Is there some kind of a money back guarantee whereby if you don't get what they said, you can claim your money back? So this is my list from when I make a decision on who to listen to or which courses to go to. And I have to tell you, honestly, if you hear somebody on YouTube who's like been doing it for a couple of years, bless them. I've been doing it for 20 years. Now, I'm not saying I know everything, but I have seen a lot go in the markets, you know, bull markets, bear markets, buffalo markets, crashes, gaps up, gaps down. Like I say, I don't know everything, but over 20 years you do learn a lot. And above all, people need to be able to teach. That's also very, very important indeed. You know, I saw a video recently. It was actually somebody doing a video against some Forex traders who, this guy, honestly, I can't believe that anybody would. He's first of all, he's got like shades on in a video, and he's like going, yeah, like, you know, and you know, here's all my money, all the money that I make, and he had all this money on his bed. Why would you learn from a person like that? Why? And then, I mean, he didn't show his car, but I'm sure the next thing would have been, it's just ridiculous. So look, learn from people who, two things, know what they're doing, and number two, check them out. Go to Trustpilot. You've heard about Trustpilot, yeah? It's a third-party site where these people's clients can then give feedback about that person. Go to Trustpilot. Trustpilot. Look up Investment Mastery. Look up Investment Mastery and you will see what people have said. Those are the kind of companies that you can trust. Please don't just go onto YouTube because it's for free. Invest in yourself. Invest in yourself so that you can really have the life that you want for yourself and your family. That's just my opinion. Obviously it's up to you, but I've got to tell you, it works, okay? So make sure you do that. Please do comment below if you enjoyed the video, but above all, learned something from it. You know, like saving you what I think is the most precious thing that you have, which is your time and of course your money, because you don't want to be scammed. And by the way, do comment below as well if you already have been scammed by some people as well, who say that they're experts in something and then it turns out that they have no product, no service, no follow-up support, no practice, no anything, etc. and so forth. Do make sure that you do like this video. If you did, I would be very, very grateful indeed. But above all, please hit that subscribe button so that I can send you these kind of videos to make sure that you are safe and that you make money for yourself and your family.